We're free this weekend. We're free this weekend.
Can we do something special? Can we do something special?
What would you like to do?
What would you like to do?
Can we go to the zoo? Can we go to the zoo?
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Are there elephants there? Are there elephants there?
Yes, the zoo has many animals.
Yes, the zoo has many animals.
I love animals, especially monkeys. I love animals, especially monkeys.
When would you like to go?
When would you like to go?
On Saturday, please. On Saturday, please.
Morning or afternoon?
Morning or afternoon?
Morning, when it's not so crowded. Morning, when it's not so crowded.
Should Mom come too?
Should Mom come too?
Yes, it's nicer as a family. Yes, it's nicer as a family.
What should we bring?
What should we bring?
Water and maybe some sandwiches. Water and maybe some sandwiches.
Good idea. And a camera?
Good idea. And a camera?
Yes. I want to take lots of pictures. Yes. I want to take lots of pictures.
How will we get to the zoo?
How will we get to the zoo?
By bus or by car? By bus or by car?
The bus is better. Parking is expensive.
The bus is better. Parking is expensive.
How long is the bus ride? How long is the bus ride?
About 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes.
Do we need to buy tickets in advance? Do we need to buy tickets in advance?
Yes, it's cheaper online. Yes, it's cheaper online.
Cool. I'm really excited. Cool. I'm really excited.
I'm looking forward to the outing too.
I'm looking forward to the outing too.
Can we eat at the zoo cafe? Can we eat at the zoo cafe?
Of course, for lunch.
Of course, for lunch.
You're so nice, Dad. You're so nice, Dad.
We'll have a lot of fun. We'll have a lot of fun.
This will be the best day ever. This will be the best day ever.
What would you like to order?
What would you like to order?
I'd like a cheese pizza, please. I'd like a cheese pizza, please.
And to drink? And to drink?
A glass of orange juice, please. A glass of orange juice, please.
Would you like dessert too? Would you like dessert too?
Yes, I'd like ice cream. Yes, I'd like ice cream.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like chocolate and vanilla best. I like chocolate and vanilla best.
The waiter will be here soon.
The waiter will be here soon.
Can you order for me? Can you order for me?
Of course I can.
Of course I can.
Thank you. Is this restaurant expensive? Thank you. Is this restaurant expensive?
It's not too expensive.
It's not too expensive.
It's not too expensive. It's not too expensive.
Only for special occasions.
Only for special occasions.
Is today a special occasion? Is today a special occasion?
Yes, you got good grades in school.
Yes, you got good grades in school.
That's right. I got an A in English. That's right. I got an A in English.
I'm very proud of you.
I'm very proud of you.
That makes me happy, Dad. That makes me happy, Dad.
Do you like the food?
Do you like the food?
Yes, the pizza is delicious. Yes, the pizza is delicious.
Are you going to eat it all?
Are you going to eat it all?
Yes, I'm very hungry today. Yes, I'm very hungry today.
Then let's order dessert now.
Then let's order dessert now.
I'm looking forward to the ice cream. I'm looking forward to the ice cream.
It was a nice evening.
It was a nice evening.
Thank you for the great dinner, Dad. Thank you for the great dinner, Dad.
What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
I really like drawing. I really like drawing.
You draw very well.
You draw very well.
Thank you, Dad. I practice every day. Thank you, Dad. I practice every day.
Would you like to take a drawing class?
Would you like to take a drawing class?
Yes, that would be great. Yes, that would be great.
I'll look for a class for you.
I'll look for a class for you.
When can I start? When can I start?
Maybe next month.
Maybe next month.
What hobbies did you have as a child? What hobbies did you have as a child?
I like to play soccer.
I like to play soccer.
Do you still play soccer sometimes? Do you still play soccer sometimes?
Rarely with colleagues. Rarely with colleagues.
Can we do sports together? Can we do sports together?
Which sport would you like to try?
Which sport would you like to try?
Maybe swimming or cycling? Maybe swimming or cycling?
Both are healthy and fun.
Both are healthy and fun.
Do we have time for that on the weekend? Do we have time for that on the weekend?
Yes, on Saturday afternoon.
Yes, on Saturday afternoon.
Great! I'm looking forward to it. Great! I'm looking forward to it.
What do your friends like to do?
What do your friends like to do?
Emily plays piano and Ashley does ballet. Emily plays piano and Ashley does ballet.
Would you like to learn an instrument too?
Would you like to learn an instrument too?
Yes, maybe guitar or piano. Yes, maybe guitar or piano.
That takes a lot of time and practice.
That takes a lot of time and practice.
I know, but music is beautiful. I know, but music is beautiful.
You're right. Music is important.
You're right. Music is important.
Can you play an instrument? Can you play an instrument?
I used to play guitar.
I used to play guitar.
Wow! Will you show me how? Wow! Will you show me how?
Of course, I'd be happy to. Of course, I'd be happy to.
That's cool. Thanks, Dad. That's cool. Thanks, Dad.